how to install an FCBH Local Language Audio Bible app. Once you've downloaded the APK file from the FCBH website, the first thing that needs to be done before installing that app is to go to the settings, and specifically the security page of your settings, and there find the unknown sources and turn that on. This is allowing for installation of non-official apps that have not come from the Google Play Store. With that enabled, open a file manager and go to the local internal storage and to the folder Download. In that folder, you'll find the file that was downloaded from the FCBH website. In this case, it's the Kitab Bongi APK file. Simply tap on that file to begin the installation process. Press Install. And depending on the size of this file, your installation should take from 1 to 3 minutes. Watch my next video for how to delete the APK installer file.